All right, good evening, everyone. We just ate a bit of a pasta cacio e pepe made by yours truly. Very good, very good. All right, so we just started the new section inside the complete beginner path. We have task number 1, introduction. Here I see is just an overview of what is about to come. All right, the aim of this room is to provide a beginner's introduction to the basic principles of networking. Networking is a massive topic, so this really will just be a brief overview. However, it will hopefully give you some foundational knowledge of the topic, which you can build upon for yourself. The topic that we're going to cover in this room are the OSI model, the TCP/IP model, which is big. I will not explain nothing. We'll go through that section. How these models look in practice and an introduction to basic networking tools. Answer the questions below. Our favorite question, let's get started, completed.